Dr. Johnson, and we have our other Houston chiropractor, Dr. Eric Johnston, here with us. He's my chiropractor, and he comes over here and adjusts me, and I adjust him. So we're going to do that this week today, actually, which is the first day of fall, by the way. So happy first day of fall. And, you know, a lot of people don't think chiropractors have spine problems or back problems or neck problems because we are named chiropractors. But we do. Dr. Eric was out on farm equipment this weekend and took some compressive stress in his lower back, and your lower back's hurting right now, right?
Yep.
So let's take a look at you. And we check each other out just like we would patients. Let's have you flex your head forward and backwards. Yep. Okay, so he's got just a little bit of forward and a little bit of right translation in his cervical spine. His pelvis is translated off to the right today. No rotation, that's good. Okay, Dr. Eric, let's have you lay down right here. So we got a Houston chiropractor adjusting another Houston chiropractor, and then I'm going to get mine done too, so you can see me getting what I dish out all the time. Slide down this way just a little bit. There you go. We practice what we preach, don't we, Doctor?
Yes, sir.
There we go. Whenever we're not available, we actually refer our patients to Dr. Eric here, and he helps us out. There we go. Okay. You haven't lost your reflexes. That's good. Okay, there we go. So we put this right under his occiput and mandible. Take a deep one through your nose. There we go. Oh, yeah. Well, that was a home run.
That was a big one.
Yeah, did you feel that one all the way to L5?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Very good. So we hit a homer on that one. He's still kicking. He's been kicking even better, actually. There we go. Perfect. One more here. Nope, I still got one. I got you. Okay. We're going to be uploading about 4 new videos today. So tonight, I don't have time to do them during the day. We're so busy, so we upload them at night. Takes forever.
It's working me to death.
Yeah, you're working me to death. Okay, let's come over here on your tummy now. We actually just saw a brand new patient with a severe hiatal hernia in here from Ethiopia that we videoed, so you'll be able to see that one too. And then another one from Houston that was actually from close, but he's out in Leak City. Okay, right leg is coming up short about 1/4 of an inch. That tightens up right there, doesn't it?
Yeah, still a little pain.
Yeah, the pelvis is out right here on the right. You can see it's higher on this side. So we're going to adjust his right SI joint first. And then I'm going to adjust his sacrum on the right there. Let's go ahead and lock this leg straight, Doc, and lift it straight off the table there. Yep, that's it. Okay, now you can relax that one. And then the left part of the sacrum. Now I'm going to hit the left SI joint, but he's still got some internal rotation. You can still see that that's a little bit elevated and puffy on this right side. So we're going to adjust it externally. There we go. Now, he's got most of his problem right here at L5S1, the very last vertebra in the spine. So we wait for him to exhale and hit that one. I bet you felt that one down deep. And then L4 is right here. There, that was probably also sensitive. L3 is probably the worst. Okay, let's do some lateral and oblique stretching here of the paraspinal muscles. Sometimes you get some good movement on these cavitations, which is the popping noise that you hear, which is a nitrous and carbon dioxide gas that explodes in the joint space. That's not your bones cracking. For all you crack addicts out there that love our cracking noises, that's not the bones cracking, that's the gas inside the joints exploding. There we go. Some have more than others. Okay, I'm going to put your head down just a little bit more, and there we go. That's why Renee's so noisy. She's full of, you know what.
I knew you were going to say that.
Uh-huh. There we go. Nope. That's better. Okay. There it is. Gotcha. Okay, I'm going to do some elbow work right down here for you in the pocket. There you go. work my way up. Now I'm to the side of L4, L3. His paraspinal muscles are very hypertonic down here, and that's really a protective mechanism of the paraspinal muscles, protecting the vertebrae from going out of place and pinching on the nerves even more. It's also a result of the pinched nerve causing muscles to go into spasm or hypertonicity. So we put direct pressure into the muscle spindles in the belly of the muscles, changing the Golgi tendon apparatus, which is basically the part that controls the muscles' tonus or tenseness. And we try to get some direct pressure in there. We go. It's now starting to melt a little bit. You can feel that usually under your elbows, your thumbs, whichever you're using. Now he's got some pelvic hypertonicity here in his gluteus medius and maximus right here too. Then we work down a little bit lower into his piriformis. That one a little tender right there. Not that bad? Okay. Yeah, that one's probably tender.
That one is.
Yeah. The left glute's a little bit tighter than the right one even. But you'll see a difference physically in his pelvic alignment here in just a second when we finish up. Not too bad on this piriformis either. That's a little bit tight there. There we go. Okay. Now, I'm going to recheck his leg length. It should be even at this time, which it is. And it should stay even, which it does. And I bet you that didn't hurt as bad either, did it, Dr. Eric?
A little better.
Okay, good. So we got a little bit of relief off of that one. So the positive Nautilus and Deerfield on the right got a little bit better. The Deerfield went completely away, but the Nautilus is where the pelvis raises up and you get the lumbar spine, L5S1 pinch, pain, and also increased tonus, hypertonicity down there. So I'm going to go back and readjust down here at S1 and L5, L4. And let's see if it eased that up at all. I'm going to go ahead and do the turbinator on Dr. Eric's low back and pelvis here. It doesn't matter whether you're a professional football player, professional wrestler, or just a bad boy or bad girl. That turbinator is going to cause you to have the white knuckle syndrome. I don't care who you are. Because it gets really deep down into the tissues. But it's one of those hurt so good things. It hurts me really bad when he does it down in my legs and my calves, but I feel a lot better afterwards. Sometimes you gotta go through a little extra pain and discomfort to get where you're going. But the thing you always want to watch out for is the objective signs of the patient. When you're adjusting them, and make sure they're not holding their breath. Have them keep breathing. That's the key to relaxation. There we go. Okay. Now, this next adjustment that I'm going to do, let's go ahead and turn you on your back for me now, Doc. This next adjustment is really a spinal decompression from the lower end. We're going to be adjusting his knees, his hip joints, and his low back SI joint. Not his SI joint, but his lumbosacral. You feel that one up there?
Yeah, it tugged.
Okay, so let's just let this go limp and breathe. There we go. How about that one?
They both pulled.
Okay, good. So, the way you tell somebody has a herniated disc is a straight leg raise test. Tell me, besides the tightness in your hamstring, is this causing any leg pain or low back pain?
No.
Okay, good. Anything down here? Better? Any leg pain or back pain? Good. So we just make sure our friends don't have any herniated discs, any back pain or leg pain?
Just tight hamstring.
Okay. Everybody has tight hamstrings, so that's the only thing, anything there?
No.
Good, excellent. Okay, let's tip it sideways, face that way. There we go, good. Get your shoulders here. Okay. There we go. A lot of you probably don't realize this, but the American Chiropractic Association has deemed October to be Chiropractic Health Month. You aware of that, Doc?
Actually, it was not.
Yeah. You know, chiropractic's birthday was this month on September 18th in 1895. Dr. D.D. Palmer adjusted Harvey Lillard, a deaf janitor, who began hearing immediately after the first adjustment of his atlas. That's when chiropractic was born in 1895 in Davenport, Iowa at Palmer College Chiropractic. Okay, now let's come over here and shoot you. And we're going to do the same thing that we do with every patient at the end. We're going to lock this into the brain. He already knows what to do. Okay, yeah, so we'll do this. And then back here. And then translate you here today. And now shift your pelvis straight right for me and lift your chin all the way up. Look at the ceiling. And there, I'm trying not to let you fall here. There we go. Okay, now. Let's try that same thing one more time. Oh yeah, much better flexion extension. How'd that feel that time?
Looks good.
Take a look in your mirror.
Feels straight.
Yeah, you are. Good. Okay, my turn.
Good. Thank you, sir.
Here, we'll start a new one over, Renee. Yeah, let's end this one and we'll start another one.
Okay, thank you. You're Houston
This is your
chiropractor.
Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, and his nagging wife, Renee. No, she's not really. She's our ops manager, Renee. She does a great job. And this is Dr. Eric Johnson. Thank you, Eric. All right. Now it's my turn.